Dear children, welcome back to yet another English language class. We are doing the writing skills and today we will do paragraph writing. Paragraph writing is a form of creative writing and hence requires a lot of thinking. You need to ask questions to yourself like who, where, what, when, etc. to gather information on the given topic. Now, what is a paragraph? A paragraph is a series of organized sentences. These sentences can be divided into topical sentence. It includes the main introduction. We introduce the topic of the paragraph. Secondly, supporting sentences. These sentences support the main sentences. That means we explain more about the topic. Then adding details. We add details to the supporting sentences. And in the end, conclusion. We conclude the paragraph in 2 or 3 sentences. So we can divide the paragraph into 3 parts: introduction, body, and conclusion. Now we need to remember certain points or the tips to write a good paragraph. First thing, introduction and conclusion should be very impressive. It should not be very lengthy. Another thing, do not drag the topic by repeating the same information. What else? New ideas make a paragraph more interesting. So we need to remember these points. Now let's take an example. Let's write a paragraph on the topic, my favorite game. So now we know we have to divide the paragraph into introduction, the body of the paragraph, and then the conclusion. So let's start the introduction, and here we will have one topical sentence. My favorite game is cricket. Cricket defines passion. It shows how countless dreams turn into reality. Now some supporting sentences and the details of the game cricket, they will be included in the body of the paragraph. So we can write, it is one of the most popular games not only in India but across the world. It is the national game of England but is played all over the world. It is played between two teams consisting of 11 players each. The ultimate aim of a team is to score higher than the other. I've been playing this game since I was 4 years old. Watching others play is as exciting as playing it. So we have written the introduction, the body of the paragraph, and now we have to write the conclusion. So now we can conclude the paragraph like this. I love watching and playing cricket. It is my dream to become a cricketer and join the Indian cricket team. So this is how we can write the paragraph on the topic, my favorite game. So we need to remember imagination is the key to become a successful writer. Let's take one more example. Write a paragraph on the topic yoga. So first thing, in the introduction, we need to write the topical sentence. Secondly, in the body of the paragraph, we need to explain the problem faced by the people. Everybody is leading a stressful life in this modern age. So we have facing health issues. Thirdly, we write the solution for the problem stated. We can state the benefits of yoga in reducing the stress and improving health. We can write regular practice of yoga can reduce stress, anxiety, depression, and other mind-related issues. Then in the end, we can conclude with a positive note that we need to start practicing it on regular basis to improve overall quality of our life. So the paragraph on yoga becomes, yoga is an ancient practice which is helpful for physical and mental well-being of mankind. In this modern age, the graph of happiness has gone considerably down and stress levels are all-time high. Due to this, health-related issues have become very common. Yoga can be very beneficial under these circumstances. The reason being it involves both physical and mental exercises. Regular practice of yoga can reduce stress, anxiety, depression, and other mind related issues. It helps and shapes your body properly, thereby decreasing any health related issues. Realizing the true power that yoga has to cure our physical and mental ailment, we must start practicing it on a regular basis to improve overall quality of our life. So this is how we can write a paragraph on yoga. So the introduction, the body of the paragraph, and the conclusion should be written like this. Thank you so much.